I found a new YouTube short niche that is going extremely viral right now. And the videos are not difficult to recreate. Just take a look at this channel, for instance. They currently have over 1.5 million subscribers, and they have uploaded only 160 videos. They are consistently getting over millions of views, with their popular video getting over 17 million views, followed by the second video that has gotten over 16 million views. It's even crazier that the video they uploaded just 17 hours ago has gotten over 1.9 million views, going to 3 million views. Now, this is all the proof that you need that this niche is viral right now, and people are getting a lot of views by making these Roblox videos. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to make this kind of video in 2 different methods, so you can choose which one works best for you. You know what? Let's dive into the tutorial.
Method 1 is to generate the video yourself if you're just starting out. The first step is to come up with the idea with ChatGPT. And to do this, just log in to ChatGPT and click on Explore. Then click on the search bar here and type Rant Generator. This one in particular. Click on it and then come down here and click on Start Chat over here. Don't worry, I'm going to be adding a link to this GPT chat in the video description so you can just check it out. The next thing you need to do now is to click on this first prompt over here, which says, give me 10 relatable rant video ideas. This GPT has been trained with hundreds of Roblox rant videos to really understand exactly how to give you video ideas that are going to go viral. Go through the ideas that GPT has provided for you and pick the one that you want to make a video about. Like for instance, I'm going to be going with this number 3 here, when someone says, hey, can I ask you something? And then disappears for 3 hours, because I can relate to that. So all you just need to do is put the number 3 here and then click on enter. Then the GPT will instantly understand what you want and it will immediately start writing you the script. Now, if you go through the script, you will see and you will understand that the script is actually very, very good, and you will not even believe that it was generated by an AI. So just follow this exact step that I've shown you in this video to generate your script so your videos can perform well. Now, the next step after that is to generate your voiceover. And to do this, we're just going to be copying the entire script from ChatGPT here, and then we're going to go to Google AI Studio. So you have to select the single speaker audio over here first of all, and then come down to the voiceover. Make sure you go through them and pick the one that best fits your preferences. It is advisable to go with a very clear young American male to get the best results. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be going with this voiceover. So I'll click on it and then come to the text section here and paste your script. By the way, it's free to generate your voiceover with Google AI Studio. Alright, so come down here and click on Run. Now give the AI some time to generate your voiceover, and when it's done, click on these 3 dots over here and save your voiceover to your PC. Now that we have the voiceover ready, it's time to gather our Roblox gameplay clips. To make this easier for you, I've already played the game and created 10 videos. I'll be adding the links to these videos in the description below. You can jump right in and move on to the next step, which is editing the video. But it's very important you record your gameplay video by yourself. Just make sure you don't use one clip more than 3 times. Okay, so the next step now is to edit the video. Now we're going to be editing this video with CapCut. You can choose any editing software of your choice depending on your preferences. So open CapCut, click on Import, and select the voiceover and the Roblox gameplay clip into CapCut just like this. Drag the voiceover into the timeline. The next thing you want to do now is to remove all these pauses. It's very important for you to do this if you want to increase your AVD, which is going to make the algorithm promote your video to more people. After that, the next thing you need to do is align the whole voiceover and right-click on your mouse. Then select Create Compound Clip. Click on it, and then your voiceover is going to turn to just one audio file here. So the next thing you want to do now is click on Voice Changer over here, and select this one called Mic Hog. Then click on Speed over here and move the speed to 1.18x. Okay, now go down to Change Audio Pitch, click on it, and then it's going to give you this cartoonish voice, which is what everybody is using in this niche. When you do all this right, it's gonna sound like this.
Bro, the emotional damage I take when someone hits me with, hey, can I ask you something? And then just vanishes. Like, hello? You can't drop a psychological cliffhanger and go live your life like nothing happened.
The next step is to upload the Roblox gameplay video into the timeline just like this, and then click on it. Now, make sure you select Speed over here and then increase the speed. It depends on how long your voiceover is, and all you just need to do is to make sure that the clip is a little bit faster so that people will not get bored when watching it. The next step is to add captions to the video. To do that, click on Caption at the top here, and then first select your spoken language. For
For the sake of this video, we are going to be going with English. You can choose any language of your choice. And then you can leave every other setting as it is and then click on Generate here. Give Capcode some time to generate your captions. The next thing you want to do is add memes. And to get your memes, you can just easily go to Pinterest and basically search what you want, download it, and upload them to your project, just like what I've done here. It's very simple. After that, it's time for us to add our background music. There's one thing I noticed about this Roblox video background music. It's usually the same, which is the sound of a piano playing in the background. So you can easily get something like that on CapCut here. Just click on audio over here and search for piano. As simple as that, you're going to get very good music that is going to give you what you want. So when you found music that you like, drag it into the timeline and make sure you reduce the volume so it doesn't overpower the main voiceover. And as simple as that, you're done editing your Roblox video on CapCut for free. Let me quickly show you guys what we were able to create before we jump into the next method.
Bro, the emotional damage I take when someone hits me with, hey, can I ask you something? And then just vanishes. Like, hello? You can't drop a psychological cliffhanger and go live your life like nothing happened. I'm sitting here spiraling, rewriting my entire existence. Like, what did I do? Did I breathe wrong? Did I blink too aggressively? Did they find out about the thing I did in 2017? 3 hours go by, I've already planned my apology tour, my escape route, and my new identity in Nebraska. Then they finally text back like, NVM? Bro, I aged 14 years. I transcended dimensions. I became a floating anxiety cloud. Don't NVM me. Send the question. I'm already emotionally invested. You can't cancel the season finale after the cliffhanger.
Alright, so the second method to create Roblox Rant videos is to use AI to automate the entire video creation process. Let me show you guys exactly how to do that. Visit VSub and create an account. I'm going to be adding a link to VSub in the description below. Click on Get Started if you don't have an account and log in with your Gmail. Then it's going to bring you to the home page of VSub. Scroll down to Let's Create Some Videos. As you can see here, we have different kinds of videos you can create with VSub. Roblox Rant, fake text, AI video, and quiz. Also, you can add captions to your video using VSub. So I'm going to be clicking on Roblox Rants here, which is trending, and then it's going to bring us to this page where we need to import our script. So click on Import Script here, and then paste the script that ChatGPT has already generated for us earlier. So let's go ahead and import our script here, just like this. For the voiceover, Adam is the voiceover everybody's using. So we're going to be using his voice. So click on Import here, and then your script is going to be added immediately. All right, so the next thing you need to do now is click on Create Video over here. Give VSub some time, and it's going to generate your video. All right, guys, so the video has been generated successfully. The next step is to change some settings to fit our preferences. First, click on Voice Changer over here, and then come down to Add Voice Changer. That's if you want to add more voices to your project. But for me, I'm just going to be using the default voices provided here. Now, the next thing is caption. If you want to change your caption style, click on this place and then go through the captions provided and choose the one you like. The next thing is the caption size. You can reduce it or increase it, but I feel like the 80 gives us the perfect size. Now you can also change the color to fit your preferences. You can change the white color to black, change the black to white, depending on what you want. You can do that here. Now after that, we need to add sound effects and memes to keep it engaging for people to watch longer. Just follow exactly what I'm going to be doing here. So first of all, click on the word you want to add captions and sound effects on. So I'm going to be adding it here. So move your mouse and click on it. Then you're going to see this option, which is Voice Changer, Sound Effects, Media, and Display Text. So click on Voice Changer here, change it from none to low pitch or normal pitch. So I'm going to be using low pitch here. And then for the sound effect, click on this part and then choose the sound effect that you want. I'm going to be using this first one here because I've heard it several times in many of these videos that are getting millions of views. So the next thing is to add media. So click on Image here, and then select one of the memes you've already downloaded from Pinterest. So I'm going to be going with this first image here, import it into VSub. If you want to reduce the size of the image, just click on the settings icon over here and move to scale and reduce it to around 70. This is the exact step you need to follow to add your voice changer, your sound effects, and memes to the part you want to hook the viewers. Now, it's very easy to do this, and it's very important to also do it because your competitors will be doing it, and that is the reason why their videos are standing out. So it's advisable you do it also to get the best result. Next, you need to make sure you add emojis to your text.
But the good thing is VSub usually helps you to do this automatically, so you don't have to worry about it. But if you want to change the emoji, all you just need to do is click on the emoji sign over here and then select one you like. All right, so after that, the next thing you want to do when you're done setting is to click on video over here, and then you come down and select your preferred Roblox gameplay clip. Now, it's advisable for you to upload a new clip after you've made like 2 videos, just to make sure that your videos don't fall under reduced content. So if you want to upload a new video, click on upload video over here and select the video you want to upload, and then import it into VSub and you can select it. So when you're done with all these settings, what you just need to do now is to download your video. So click on the download icon over here and select your frame rate, which I usually go with 30 FPS. Then click on download and give the AI some time to download your video into your device. Let me show you guys what we were able to create with VSub.
Bro, the emotional
Damage.
I take when someone hits me with, hey, can I ask you?
Something.
And then just vanishes. Like, hello? You can't drop a
Psychological.
cliffhanger and go live your life like nothing happened. I'm sitting here spiraling, rewriting my entire existence like, what did I do? Did I breathe wrong? Did I
Blink.
too aggressively? Did they find out about the thing I did in 2017? 3 hours go by, I've already planned my
Apology.
tour, my escape route, and my new identity in Nebraska. Then they finally text back like NVM. NVM? BRO, I aged 14.
Years.
I transcended dimensions. I became a floating
Anxiety.
cloud. Don't NVM me. Send the question. I'm already
Emotional.
invested. You can't cancel the season finale after the
Cliffhanger.
Thank you guys for watching. If you want to try VSub, use the link in the pinned comment below. See you guys in the next video. Peace.